17th of July 2021. About money I had written with that childlike faith. So it literally happened like a miracle. Don't be logical and realistic. कैसे मैं बस लिख दूँ और वो हो जाएगा, वो हो गया. Are you ready to hear this? Are you going to believe it when I tell you what I actually wrote down here in this SBI diary that my mom got me? It actually happened with me. Yes, it did. So, here is the part 2 of the scripting video जो मैंने actually काफी दिनों पहले किया था, कुछ हफ्तों पहले. I'm going to put the thumbnail here and I'm going to link it up. Go watch it later. मैंने बात की थी scripting के बारे में. It's a manifesting technique जिससे through journaling, through writing, आप अपनी ड्रीम्स को रियलिटी में बदल सकते हो. जो चीजें आप लिखते हो वो एक्चुअली रियलिटी में होती है. इट कम्स ट्रू. इट्स हैपेंड विद मी एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दैट वीडियो आई सेड लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट मी टू talk about what are the things that I've manifested through scripting, through writing, through journaling, and show you some proof. So that's exactly what I have here in this journal. I have the proof. Are you ready to hear this? If you are, I'm sure you are. That's why अभी तक तुम रुके हुए हो. अगर फ्यूचर में ऐसा और कंटेंट देखना चाहते हो, सबसे पहले hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and now let's begin talking about this. I have such beautiful journals inside. Okay, I do a lot of journaling, I write a lot of things, but ये ना मैं literally experiment के तौर पे कर रही थी. तो मेरे घर पे तब कुछ एक्स्ट्रा था नहीं, तो मम्मी की SBI की डायरी थी, तो मैंने उठा लिया. I'm like चलो let's give this a shot, let's see what happens. So इसके पहले कि मैं बात करना शुरू करूँ about what are the things that I manifested, let me give you a little idea of what was happening in my life in early 2021 before I started doing this exercise. ठीक है, early 2021, bad anxiety, bad mental health days that I would have very often. I would have negative intrusive thoughts, episodes जो काफी घंटों तक चलते थे. मैं घर पे अकेले बैठ के रोती थी, इतनी बुरी मेरी एंजाइटी और मेंटल हेल्थ थी. स्पेशली सेकेंड वेव के आसपास इट हैड गॉटन वर्स. देन आई हैव मेड नोट्स हियर. Money situation, money, oh my god, was missing from my life. I've said this before also because मैं YouTube नया शुरुआत कर रही थी. पहले 2-3 साल YouTube के I hardly used to have money in my account. I was desperately looking for a way to get continuous flow of income. Number 3, मैंने एक पॉडकास्ट पे काम किया हुआ था. मतलब मैंने किसी को एक पॉडकास्ट पिच किया हुआ था जिसके बारे में डिटेल में मैं बहुत सारी बातें करने वाली हूँ चैनल पे फ्यूचर में. इट्स कमिंग अप. ओके, बट या दैट पॉडकास्ट हैड पिच टू समबडी और वो वर्कआउट होते होते होल्ड पे चला गया. ठीक है. एंड नंबर 4, माई स्किन वॉज लुकिंग लाइक शिट. यू गाइज हैव सीन मी ओवर ईयर्स ऑन यूट्यूब. माई स्किन थोड़ी इंप्रूव होने लग गई थी एंड सडनली इट अगेन वेंट फॉर अ टॉस एंड माई फेस वॉज फुल ऑफ पिंपल्स एंड डार्क स्पॉट्स. क्योंकि आई वुड pop my pimples. Never do that, but always easier to tell than actually do it. So yeah, fully like dark spots and very painful pimples. So that was my life. Okay, then जब तुम ऐसे सिचुएशन में होते हो, यू आर डेस्परेट टू डू एनीथिंग दैट वुड टर्न योर सिचुएशन अराउंड. और मुझ में ये अलग अलग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने के कीड़े वैसे भी पहले से है. सो पता नहीं, समथिंग वन डे टोल्ड मी आई शुड जस्ट स्टार्ट राइटिंग. यू नो, मैंने स्क्रिप्टिंग के बारे में कभी लाइफ में पढ़ा नहीं था. फॉर्मली नोबडी हैड टॉट मी व्हाट स्क्रिप्टिंग इज. आई नेवर सॉ अ वीडियो, आई नेवर रेड अबाउट इट. समथिंग इनसाइड मी टोल्ड मी, जो मैं अपना नॉर्मल जर्नलिंग करती हूँ उसकी जगह लेट मी स्टार्ट जर्नलिंग as if everything is perfect in my life. So I started writing down in this diary the exact opposite of what was happening in my life then. The exact opposite, the results that I wanted, जो मुझे नहीं मिल रहे थे पर जो मुझे चाहिए थे वो मैंने इसमें लिखना शुरू किया. But basically you write like a dear diary kind of a thing. 1 पेज लिखो, 2 पेज लिखो, 10 पेज तुम पर है. From your future self, like from द फ्यूचर, जहां पर तुम्हारे गोल्स जो है तुमने हासिल कर लिए हैं. सो कुछ दिनों पर आई वुड राइट, यू नो, लाइक अ पेज और 2 पेजेस ऑफ the perfect evening in my life or the perfect work day in my life, you know, in the near future, in a few 1 or 2 years or whatever, or sometimes in the next 2 months. There are no rules. तुम कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. तुम 10 साल बाद भी तुम तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या चाहते हो वो भी लिख सकते हो. So whatever, you have to have fun with these things, and also I think somewhere you have to let your intuition also guide you. So मैं रोज एक फॉर्मेट नहीं फॉलो करती थी. Some days I would write like a dear diary kind of a thing, 1-2 pages. Some days I would just write pointers of everything that I want in my life to happen and how it's happened. Some days I would literally write like letters to the universe. Like I would ask the universe for what I want, full in-depth detail में. Okay, so I've done different kinds of things. For me, I knew कि 3 areas of my life है जिसमें मुझे immediate change चाहिए था. Number 1, my mental health. I was craving for a happy, healthy, peaceful state of mind, which ऐसे लग रहा था कि कहाँ गायब हो गया मेरी लाइफ से. I want to show you some things that I wrote about, you know, wanting good mental health. So here it is. This I wrote this on the 1st of August. Okay, I don't know how to show it. ये front camera से शायद उल्टा दिखेगा, so I'm gonna put shots here. But I wrote like, you know, dear universe, just like the anxiety that came into my life out of nowhere, because it literally came out of the blue. I was just living my life normally, and one day it just came, and I was like, ये क्या है भाई और ये क्यों है? Just take it away, you know, miraculously. जब तुम एंजाइटी में होते हो ना, और मुझे भी अभी भी कमेंट्स आते हैं मेरे एंजाइटी वाले वीडियोस के नीचे, पीपल आस्क डज दिस एवर गेट क्योर्ड, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ यू फील व्हेन यू आर इन दैट स्टेट. यू फील लाइक दिस इज हाउ योर लाइफ इज गोइंग टू बी, and I felt like I need a miracle right now for it to just disappear, because it was just not happening for me. And touch wood, can I tell you something? Now when I look back, अभी मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि कैसे it went out of my life. Literally, I'm telling you. And मैं ना, क्योंकि मेरे पास फिर मेरा पॉडकास्ट का काम शुरू हो गया, बहुत सारे काम शुरू हो गए. 2021 का सेकेंड हाफ वॉज जैम पैक फॉर मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्क एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई वाज बिजी विद. सो उन सब चीजों में एंजाइटी कहाँ गायब हो गई मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. सो इट लिटरली हैपेंड लाइक अ मिरेकल. एंड मुझे रियलाइज हुआ 2021 दिसंबर या कुछ में, जब मैं वो पढ़ रही थी जर्नल, की शिट तुझे पता भी नहीं चला ये कैसे हुआ इन द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स. इट्स लिटरली लाइक ट्रांजिशन एंड अपने आप कम होते होते गायब हो गई. सो अभी मेरी एंजाइटी लाइक राइट नाउ, very once in a while I'll feel something like I will feel like a shortness of breath, or I'll feel like a panic attack approaching, but because I have worked on myself, I know few mechanisms, I end up handling it by myself. It has beautifully helped me with my state of mind, man. About money, couple of pages I've written, couple of things. This entry is from 26th of July 2021, if you can see. But yeah, here I wrote I'm earning a good amount of money already. I'm getting this X amount that I always wanted to earn a month through my podcast, through YouTube. This feels surreal. I feel eternally blessed to imagine just a few months ago I had just 5-7,000, और ये भी मैं ज्यादा बोल रही हूँ, कुछ महीनों पहले उससे भी कम होते थे मेरे अकाउंट में पूरे टाइम. I would sometimes just have like 3,000 rupees in my account, man. I can't even tell you how that makes you feel. This one is from 20th of July. Okay, I had written here my earnings from the podcast work and YouTube have been consistent. I'm making an X amount of money that I wanted to make every month in 2021. Who would have thought that things are going to be turning in my favor in such a short time? And can I tell you, ये मैंने यहाँ पर ऐसे casually लिखते लिख दिया होगा. That's exactly what happened. I wouldn't have imagined कि कैसे ये इतने कम टाइम में चीजें इतनी, you know, things are going to take a turn for good. So now when I look back on it, this is exactly what happened. And one more thing that I want to show you, like how what you write just happens, man. So exciting to me. Yeah, this one, 17th of July 2021, about money I had written. My YouTube is getting me even better brand deals. The money per deal is now 25,000 rupees. I'm attracting really good agencies that bring me really good brands to work with. Can I tell you something? This did not happen immediately. Okay, it took a little while, but abhi kuch dino pehle, it's the first time that I charged 25,000 for doing a single video, and it took a while, okay, but it happened. It just happens, and I'm just sharing this because I'm so excited, and I want to tell you कि तब तुम्हें जो चीज लगती भी नहीं है when you're writing with that childlike faith, without putting too much of your idiotic logic and realist. Don't be logical and realistic. मुझे ये word से थोड़ा सा ऐसे irritation होने लग गया. So when I did this exercise with that faith, without doubting कि कैसे मैं बस लिख दूँ और वो हो जाएगा, वो हो गया. You see now? Coming to my podcast. So podcast के बारे में मुझे इस वीडियो में ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाना है, because I'm going to do a proper dedicated video about it very soon. My podcast is going to be out very soon. You guys will hear a lot about it on this channel. But early 2021 में मैंने जैन में अपना podcast pitch किया था कुछ लोगों को, and ऐसे लग रहा था कि कुछ positive revert आएगा, but with pandemic we know it screwed a lot of people's lives. So कुछ चीजें हुई इस तरह से कि there was the silence of 3 months. And उस साइलेंस में क्या होता है, स्पेशली वेन यू रियली वॉन्ट समथिंग टू वर्क आउट एंड यू आर वेटिंग फॉर इट टू हैपन, यू आर एक्साइटेड एंड यू डोंट हियर एनीथिंग बैक फ्रॉम समबडी, यू स्टार्ट ओवर थिंकिंग कि नहीं होने वाला है, मे बी इट दे डिडंट लाइक इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन, इट्स ओके, मे बी आई ट्राई अनदर टाइम. ऑल दीज थॉट्स स्टार्ट कमिंग इनटू योर हेड. So what I started doing in that period, जब मेरा दिमाग ओवरवर्क कर रहा था कि नहीं होने वाला है, I started writing the exact opposite of what was happening. I started writing things like, I just got a call from Sid. Sid is the guy who I've been communicating with. Let me look for it. Yeah, here I get a call from Siddhant confirming the podcast and wanting to discuss the process and the launch date. We lock the deal. I get paid dash a month. Again in August, I got a call from here. It's confirmed. I cannot tell you how happy it made me. I danced a little, I cried a little, I got very descriptive, and I said thanks to the universe. Cannot wait to start work on this and kill it. And I'm going to create a brilliant podcast now. That yeah. Then I started writing in detail about the podcast also. My recordings are going so well. I have an assistant who's working with me, who's helping me, make fun content happen. My people are loving listening to my podcast. So जरूरी नहीं तुम्हें बस immediate future का लिखना है. It's my choice. I can go to whatever till what is the situation with my podcast 3 months later, 6 months later. Couple of pages that I've written, and ये exercise करने के I think literally 1.5 महीने में I got the confirmation. I think August end में मुझे confirmation आ गया था कि I got that call saying we are sending you your contract. Please check your mail and please revert as soon as you can. And I also got the money that I had asked for. So yeah, and for 2021 का second half got very busy for me because all this work happened, podcast आ गया, YouTube का काम चल रहा था, lots of things to figure out on my own. So मुझे इतना consistently journal करने का उसके बाद time नहीं मिलता था. But I remember एक बार December में बैठ के जब मैं अपनी journals पढ़ रही थी, and when I read few of these things that that I was really praying for it to happen. And जब मैं December में I was living my life, I realized wow, right now the life I'm living is literally the life that I've prayed for. And I didn't even realize how it happened. And when that realization dawned upon me, अभी भी मुझे goosebumps आ रहे हैं सोच के, and I literally teared up because things were so like crazy early and mid 2021. Oh my god, तब मुझे समझा नहीं था, तब मुझे पता भी नहीं चला था कि just a few weeks and things are going to turn around like this and just going to work out. I keep doing so much touch wood when I talk about these things. So this makes me so happy, and that's why I come and tell you guys this, because I know so many people go through exactly इस तरह की situation जब लगता है कि यार कुछ होने ही नहीं वाला अभी. This is what I make these videos for those times where जब तुम्हें ऐसी feeling आ रही है, start investing your focus and time and energy into these little things जो तुम्हें पता भी नहीं कितने magically चीजों को change कर देते हैं over time. Sometimes it takes few days, sometimes few weeks or months, but it definitely changes your situation. The last thing that I changed through scripting is my skin. I was talking about my skin at the top. कितनी बुरी मेरी स्किन की हालत रही है पिछले कुछ महीनों से. तुम लोग देखते हो मेरे मेकअप वाले वीडियोस में, तुम लोगों ने देखी इतना बुरा था मेरा एक्ने सिचुएशन. To an extent, I had given up on my skin because I wouldn't even care, because I was like, what do I do? Like I have tried everything for it, and I literally tried everything from dermats to trying to change my diet to trying to stop dairy. Sugar भी छोड़ के देख ली थी. Like I said, I had given up, but then what I started doing इसमें I started writing that I have a clear, radiant, glowing skin. और जब मैं ये लिखती थी ना उस वक्त मेरा स्किन इतना बुरा था 2021 मिड में, I can't tell you, fully like black spots and everything. It was the exact opposite of what my situation was. It didn't even feel real, but I started writing it. And एक और चीज मैंने की which I want to tell you guys. Every time when we look at ourselves in the mirror, especially जब ऐसी कोई चीज हुई होती है, मैं अपने acne को इतने गुस्से में देखती थी. I would be like, what is this, man? When will this go, man? Like I would literally almost curse my skin. And एक दिन it dawned upon me. I am like, 1 second, how much hate and how much disgust and how much of all that you're giving your skin just because you have some acne, but fully otherwise your skin is just like all fine and perfect. Just because एक part में it's not supporting you right now, how much hate will you give it? And I started changing my inner dialogue. जब मैं अपने आप को मिरर में देखती थी, every time I looked at myself in the mirror, I would say my skin is spotless, radiant and glowing. Again, इस पे I can make like a more detailed video. मुझे बताओ if you want me to do that. Drop a comment and I'll do that. Every day I started changing my inner dialogue. I started writing what my ideal skin will look like. And you guys have seen the change. Now I have to add this. Of course, I went to a dermat and of course I took a skin treatment. But I think this is how these things work. I think after you do this, the universe sends you people or sends you ways or sends you ideas जो तुम use करने वाले हो, implement करने वाले हो, उससे तुम्हारी situation बदलने वाली है. I came to know about a dermat through one of my very close friends who asked me to go to her. And not like मैं पहले dermat के पास नहीं गई थी. Of course I'd gone, I'd done the treatment, but it did not work out in the long run. But this time again it has. And I can't tell you how happy I can't tell you how happy I was. Like one day again, just a few weeks ago, I was looking at my skin in the mirror and I was like, wow, just a few months ago you were doing your affirmations and you were writing that my skin is spotless and glowing and radiant, and guess what it is, man? So yeah man, these are all the things जो मैंने अपने लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट की है through just writing about them, through just journaling about them, and I feel so excited when I share these things with you because I want it to happen for you as well. If you like this video, अगर तुम्हें वो थोड़ी सी इंस्पिरेशन मिल गई है to give this a shot, मुझे कमेंट करके जरूर बताना. Tell me what you thought about the video, and if you have friends who would be interested in this kind of stuff, ये उनके साथ share कर दो so that they get more content to watch, I get newer audience, and we can manifest 100K this year. We should, okay? इस चैनल पर नए हो, ऐसा और content देखना चाहते हो, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys soon. You take care. Bye bye.